As an LGBTQ community, not a stranger to a fight, right? We know that our rights have been under attack, and even more so now with Kim Davis's request for certiorari for the Supreme Court to revisit Obergefell v. Hodges. So what can you do as an LGBT couple to protect your relationship and preserve it? The first thing, have a plan. A plan is the most important piece of this. For eons, LGBTQ couples, before marriage equality, before it was safe to be out, had estate plans that provided for a lot of this. That's how we got marriage equality, was through estate planning challenges. So the first thing you can do is have a plan. The plan should include 9 documents. You may not need all 9 depending, but you should look at these and consider them. The first is a healthcare power of attorney, naming your spouse as the person who gets to make your medical decision. Include a HIPAA release so that your spouse has access to your medical information. Hospital visitation authorization so that your spouse has the right to visit you in the hospital, whether or not the hospital recognizes your marriage. A living will or advance directive so you get to dictate end-of-life care if you're in a terminal condition. A disposition of remains, which is what do you want to happen with your body once you've passed away? By writing it down, those family members who don't affirm who you are do not have a right to make those decisions. Personal property memorandum. Where do you want specific mementos that you own? Personal property, watch collection, jewelry, things that are not titled. Where do you want them to go? A pet care directive. Who's going to take care of your furry friends, or scaly or feathery, whatever you consider part of your family. And believe you me, my cat is part of my family. You want to have those written down. A financial power of attorney, giving your spouse the ability to take care of finances if you're unable to do so. A will. A will is what a lot of people think of as an estate plan. It is only a piece of the puzzle, but a will is going to dictate what happens to your assets. And the last piece is a trust. I don't always espouse trust, but they do provide privacy, and they are harder to challenge because they're private. And I think for an LGBTQ couple, it gives you kind of a belt and suspenders. You have the will that is one piece of it. You also have the trust as another piece of it to make it less subject to any sort of challenge and more likely to survive. So those are the 9 key documents that you should have as part of your plan if you are an LGBTQ couple concerned about your rights.